Hi everybody, we're going to move on with lesson 28 in our reader's notebook. I have a visitor here today and I don't know if you can see him. It's my Georgie Porgy. Can you say hi, Georgie? He sits up on the desk with me now while I do my work. So the reason I am starting on page 190 is because I want to go through our spelling words with you. So take a look at the list on page 190. Please know that in the packets I'm giving out on Friday, I have included all of your spelling words for lessons 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30, and I included the spelling practice sheet so you can do different spelling practices with those words, and then you can go in and take your spelling tests on spellingcity.com. Okay, so our spelling words this week are cow, house, town, shout, down, mouse, found, loud, brown, ground, pound, flower, out, now, and our last two challenge words are towel and pounce. So you'll get those on your spelling lists when you get your practice sheets on Friday. So let's go back to the beginning of this unit and let's see where we start here. Oh, we did lesson 27 already, so we're on lesson 28. So page 187. We are looking at diphthongs with the sound ow in them, and ow can be spelled O-W or O-U. So we're putting our letters together to write those words. So number one is b-ow. What's our word? Bow. Number two is k-ul. Ow. N. Clown. Write the word. Number three, ow, n, frown. Write the word. Number four, ow, d, loud. Write the word. Number five, ow, n, d, round. Write the word. Then you're supposed to take those words that you wrote and complete the sentences. So number 6, Bubbles the blank came out on the stage. Pretty sure you can figure that one out. Number 7, he blew up a big blank balloon. Number 8, the balloon popped with a blank bang. Number 9, Bubbles had a big blank on his face. And number 10, then Bubbles took a blank while the crowd clapped. Please fill in your sentences. You can pause the video if you need to. Page 188, we are looking at nouns that end with apostrophe S. And remember, apostrophe S shows possession, which means the thing that comes behind it belongs to it. All right? So let's look at number 1. Ye Shen's mother and father had died. So Ye Shen's mother and father had died. Which sentence shows ownership? If you look at Ye Shen, which is our noun, we're looking at the words that come after. So we're talking about mother and father, and we want those to belong to Ye Shen. So we need to have Ye Shen apostrophe S. So in number 1, you should underline the first sentence. So please continue to do 2 through 5. Underline the sentences that show possession with their apostrophe S in their noun. Page 189. We again have our OW, OU words, and we are supposed to pick words from our word bank. Couch, howl, crowd, mouth, crown, ouch, found, round, frown, shout. And please fill in the blanks for each sentence. I will go through or the segments, they're not actual sentences. I will go through and read them, but I want you to fill in the blanks on your own. Number 1, a part of your face. 2, a sound a dog might make. 3, a large group of people. 4, a long seat for sitting. 5, to yell loudly. 6, something a queen has. 7, the shape of a ball. 8, the face a grouch makes. 9, what you say when you get hurt. 10, got something you were looking for. I'm going to pause there and I will be back. Okay, so let's continue with, page 190. We are looking at our spelling words, and you guys have done this exercise many, many times. So I'm going to let you go ahead and do this one on your own. You're going to sort them according to their diphthong, either OW or OU. And then at the bottom, from 15 through 18, you're going to write the spelling words that rhyme with each of those words. So 15, how, 16, blouse, 17, clown, 18, bound. Page 191, we are again looking at nouns that end with S apostrophe. And again, this is possession, okay? So showing that a person, an animal, or a thing owns something, or it belongs to that thing. And when a noun names more than one and it already ends in S, you add the apostrophe after the S, okay? So we could say the musician show was great, but that wouldn't make sense. So the musician's show was great. But we don't do an apostrophe S because in order to make the word musician plural, which if you remember means more than one, we have to add an S to it. So we wouldn't do S apostrophe S, we just do S apostrophe. So we're supposed to read the sentences and underline the sentence that uses a possessive noun correctly, okay? So go ahead and look through 1 through 5 and underline the correct sentence. You're looking for apostrophe S to show possession. And we are going to skip 192 and go to 193. You need to fill in the blanks from your word bank: bloom, crew, toss, yawn, shook. Number 1, it rhymes with moss and it begins like took. So remember, you're looking for a word that has the same ending sound as moss, but it starts with the letter of T from took. So go ahead and fill in those blanks, and at the bottom you're going to complete the sentences below using these words. And I'm going to stop there. Have a good day. Bye.